All right. So what we're gonna do, we are going to make what do I call this? Lemon drink. Okay. Yeah, lemon drink. Wow. Lemon drink we're gonna make now. Let me get my lemon squeeze out. Okay, so this is the lemon. All right. Every night I encourage you guys to drink lemon water before you go to your bed. All right. And this is the next half of a lemon. So what you're gonna do, pour that on an amazing juice. All right, where it is? Amazing juice. That's one lemon. Right there, look at that. Beautiful, isn't it? Yeah, very strong. All right, the lemon. Then room temperature water. All right. Room temperature water. Fill it up with water. So you want to drink that before you go to your bed or in the morning, okay? On an empty stomach. This, very powerful, beautiful skin, dehydrated, help you with your overall immune system, vitamin C, and the list goes on. I would say drink this as long as you can. Follow me for more recipes. All right, guys, this one, very powerful. I have acid reflux, so it is good to drink. Lemon water, being drinking. Okay, now if you have acid reflux, don't drink lemon water. Drink apple cider vinegar water. Apple cider vinegar is better. All right, yeah. I would recommend you to drink apple cider vinegar water. That's the best thing to drink if you have acid reflux. All right, guys, beautiful. Now we can see the amount of people we have a watch, so a good vibes. The show going to end 15 minutes. That's not bad. I catch you guys tomorrow night again in the kitchen with more recipes and more ideas. Follow me to keep you guys updated with beautiful recipes and ideas. Lemon water. Let's drink. Great. Rinse out your mouth after. And I will drink the rest in the morning. All right, good vibes.